The lithium market just hit a bottom, and that means opportunity. After crashing from $85,000 per ton to under $10,000, lithium prices are stabilizing as EV demand accelerates and supply growth slows. China just announced new EV subsidies. Tesla's Model 2 is coming, and major automakers are doubling down on electric despite the downturn. Here's the setup. Lithium stocks got absolutely destroyed in 2023-2024, falling 70 to 80% from highs. But the fundamentals are shifting. EV sales are still growing 20% plus annually. Battery gigafactories are coming online, and North American lithium production is becoming strategic as the U.S. seeks to reduce dependence on China. I'm breaking down 4 lithium stocks positioned for the 2026 recovery. One at $4.38 with $225 million in U.S. government funding and federal fast-track status, pioneering direct lithium extraction in Arkansas. One at $4.51, backed by General Motors, building North America's largest lithium project. One at $7, operating in Argentina's Lithium Triangle. And one at $168, that's the world's largest lithium producer, trading at multi-year lows. These range from speculative developers to established producers, different risk-reward profiles for every investor. Could 2026 be the year lithium stocks explode? Before I reveal which 4 lithium stocks could deliver explosive returns in 2026, and honestly, the risk-reward setup here is incredible after the massive sell-off. Welcome back to Smart Investing. I specialize in finding battery metals, critical minerals, and energy transition stocks that are beaten down but positioned for recovery. If you want exposure to the EV revolution, energy storage boom, and North American supply chain reshoring, you need to hit that like button and subscribe immediately. This is contrarian investing at its finest. Let's dive in. Lithium Americas Corp., ticker LAC on NYSE and TSX, trading at $4.51. LAC owns Thacker Pass in Nevada, largest known lithium deposit in North America with 40-year mine life potential. General Motors invested $650 million for 38% ownership, becoming strategic partner. Project secured $2.26 billion DOE loan, the largest ever for mining project, enabling construction without massive equity dilution. Thacker Pass will produce 80,000 tons lithium carbonate equivalent annually in 2 phases, 40,000 tons each phase. Construction underway with first production targeted late 2027. Located in mining-friendly Nevada with established permitting. Uses clay-based lithium extraction from sedimentary deposits. GM partnership provides guaranteed offtake plus technical collaboration on sustainable production. Separated Argentine assets into Lithium Americas Argentina. Largest lithium deposit in North America. GM's $650 million investment validates project economics. $2.26 billion DOE loan provides non-dilutive construction financing. 80,000-ton annual production makes LAC a major player. Late 2027 production timeline. Nevada jurisdiction provides regulatory certainty. GM offtake removes marketing risk. At $4.51, massive upside if lithium prices recover. Scale advantages in low-cost production. Strategic for North American EV supply chain. Lithium Argentina AG, ticker LAAC, trading around $7. This is the Argentine operating assets spun out from Lithium Americas, focused on Cauchari-Olaroz lithium brine project in Jujuy province, Argentina. Located in the Lithium Triangle, Argentina, Chile, Bolivia, where 60% of global lithium resources exist. Project completed construction and achieved commercial production, producing lithium carbonate from high-altitude salt flats using solar evaporation ponds. Partnership with Ganfeng Lithium, the world's largest lithium company, provides operational expertise and marketing support. Expansion potential to increase production capacity. Argentina offers world-class lithium brines with established mining industry. benefits from favorable geology, high evaporation rates at existing infrastructure in proven lithium-producing region. Already producing, operational risk largely retired. Located in Lithium Triangle, proven geology. Ganfeng Partnership provides technical and marketing strength. Expansion potential to grow production. Argentina's competitive advantages, high-grade brines, favorable evaporation rates, established supply chains. Pure play exposure to lithium prices without development risk. At $7, offers leverage to lithium price recovery. Established producer trading at discount to replacement cost given current lithium prices. Albemarle Corporation, ticker ALB on NYSE, trading at $168.42 with $20 billion market cap. This is the world's largest lithium producer with operations across Australia, Chile, US, and China. Albemarle produces lithium from hard rock, spodumene in Australia, brine operations in Chile's Atacama, Nevada's Silver Peak, and conversion facilities globally. Integrated from mining through lithium compounds for batteries, industrial applications, and specialty chemicals. Produces lithium hydroxide and lithium carbonate for EVs, energy storage. Despite being the largest producer, stock down 75% from 2022 highs due to lithium price collapse. Company has cut costs, rationalized investments, maintained dividend. Long operating history, technical expertise, customer relations with every major battery and auto manufacturer. World's largest lithium producer with diversified asset base. Operating leverage to lithium price recovery. At $168, down from $300 highs, significant upside if prices normalize. Established production, proven operations, technical leadership. Customer relations across the entire battery supply chain. Balance sheet can withstand downturn. Geographic and resource diversification, hard rock plus brine. When lithium recovers, Albemarle captures maximum benefit as swing producer with operational flexibility. There you have it, 4 ways to play the lithium recovery. Standard lithium at $4.38 for US DLE technology with federal backing. Lithium Americas at $4.51 for Thacker Pass mega project with GM partnership. Lithium Argentina at $7 for current production in the Lithium Triangle. And Albemarle at $168, that's the world's largest lithium producer trading at multi-year lows. These range from speculative developers to established producers, different risk-reward profiles for every investor. Could 2026 be the year lithium stocks explode? What's your take? Is 2026 the year lithium stocks explode, or is there more pain ahead? Drop your analysis below. If this helped you understand lithium investing opportunities, smash like and subscribe to Smart Investing. Remember, educational content, not financial advice. DYO. Thanks for watching.